E46 M3, we had quite many of them on the channel, including of course the one Nolly here shared multiple times. Actually, why is that a Saxo?
Yeah, it's because I had a Saxo when I got my driver's license.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, so because we need to get the Saxo back on the channel again. In any case,
I might build one.
well, that would be cool. I'm thinking now actually, I want to have a car where I just hop in and drive. But I know I cannot leave cars like stock. I always go F1 ballistic with the builds. So even Corvette is about to like be parked hard because we're gonna do full engine, transmission, and full aero, and then yeah, hello. So I bought this just because the Civic is not ready, and now I need to buy something else for this. I was thinking something like a Saxo. Anyway, we are sidetracking. E46 M3 S54 in it, but what is connected to it is what makes the car special. No, it's not Saxo transmission. It is a DCT. Actually, DCT. Well, no, it's not DCT. It's ZF Auto, so 8-speed, and it works. Done a lap already. Very hot, very loud as well. So I'm doing the intro and outro in the same thing right now. Was it a lot of pain in the butt to connect it?
Nah, not really.
No?
You need a lot of wiring, and you need adapter plates. Yeah.
It's running Haltech ECU.
Yeah, it's running Max ECU race.
Ah,
race
okay.
2. Yeah.
But Haltech, the dash is on it.
Yeah, the Haltech dash.
Yeah. It's nice. I like how the dash looks like a E46.
Yeah.
It's super nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. So power-wise, 370 or so, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing too crazy. We have some nice cooling here happening. Just a closer look at the pedal shifts. So for me, first of all, the car has a phenomenal setup. You have Dunlop Direzza tires, which is probably the best semi-slick in the world. Some people prefer it even over a Cup 2R. We have AP Racing all around. Blue pads. This means it's not EBC blue stuff. It's endless, right?
It's endless.
Yeah, all around. It has also no brake booster, so you brake like a real man, but you do have ABS, and that is very good and very important. One thing, because of the gearbox slash diff, it felt to me less torquey, because you have like 8 speeds, of course, compared to the 6-speed normally. So every gear you need to be really high in the revs, but it's still fast. Then again, I have a luxury problem to mention. The previous car I drove was 765 LT, double the horsepower, so maybe it just felt to me like slower than usual. But we had a very nice benchmark, because together with us we had an M2, and we had a lots of fun together with it. So yeah, the setup, phenomenal, amazing. We can also have a look at suspension, MCS inside, very nice, very cool. Oh no, what happened here?
Yeah. My drivetrain broke.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's not ideal.
Nah.
But regardless, oh, very nice subframe bracing over there. The car is very agile, very everything. But yeah, the torque felt a bit. And one thing, for me, it felt like it has a bit little feeling through the steering wheel. Is there anything done to power steering, or maybe because it's
No, it's only
original?
stock. Original, yeah.
Original.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's because of the big wheel you have so much radius. Because for me it feels big, and it felt like there was like little power, like what's it called, feel through it than I usually used to.
Yeah, I think I might put on another, what is it called? Steering rack.
Yeah.
With another gear
Yeah,
ratio.
that would be nice. Yeah. Yeah, other than that, fantastic car. Really liked it. It's something different. It has its advantages and disadvantages. I'm more of a guy who likes like 3 pedals and heel and toe. It gives a different dimension to the bit of working with it. That's why this will stay manual as long as possible. But other than that, it's something different and enjoyable. So yeah, you can go annoy Martin with all your questions. How to build a perfect Saxo, or to put
don't mention the Saxo again.
or ZF Auto into E46, and I would say enjoy the lap. Yeah. A while later, Martin took the car out himself and realized that it indeed felt slow, or like less torquey. So Vanos was not working, and therefore I guess we need to call Charoudin and 539 Restorations. But no, I still gonna show you this lap. We're gonna go once again when the car is fixed, but this lap it was still epic, even with the M2, and there was lots of traffic. So I think, I don't know, how much power would we have been running? 270, probably 100 less than there, so, or like less torque, definitely. So, yeah, having said that, enjoy the lap with not working vanos and very little torque and horsepowers. We made it on track. I think that's a good achievement. Today's going to be very busy. To figure out how this car shifts and drives and everything. We have no brake booster. I drove a 765 LT, so now this is slow, but it's not.
thought I can do 2 laps, but it's so busy that it makes very little sense. Thumbs up to each other. Mwah! It's not gonna get better than this. There's too much traffic, makes no sense to push it. I'm not gonna try to say anything, it's very loud here, so I guess all my thoughts you can hear in the intro. Love the car.